I will try to reply what that I know, inshallah. All right, next is about this one is about our facilities. Hold on, this actually disturb me. Okay, so facilities, we have actually Iqra room. This one is carer room. Carer room, this it means for individual usage, whereby you can actually Iqra room, we have about 180 units. So some most of the carer room actually we have used smart door lock, whereby you can this room with a smart door you can rent about 10 ringgit monthly. Okay, but this the carer room without smart door lock, you can easily use for the first come first serve base, first come first search basis lah. Alright. Okay, siapa cepat dia dapat macam tu lah. Okay, and then hikmah rooms and exploratory rooms actually the discussion rooms. We have about 40 discussion rooms. The difference is in terms of capacity user lah. So exploratory room, it will accompany about 10 users at one time. Hikmah only 6 users at one times. And actually, you can reserve to use this discussion room. You can do it, your reservation at a circulation counter at level 1. All right, next is let's study room, seminar room. We have 2 seminar room. Information searching room is actually the computer room. So those who do not have a computer or laptop, we offer information searching room with desktop, with internet also. And the other one is Al-Shirazi Scholar Room. This one actually specially offered to those to all of you actually for postgraduate students only, to diploma and undergraduate students. They can't enter this room. So this room is actually located at level 3. All right. And then we have actually 24 hours reading room. So after office hour or opening hour, actually you can use 24 hours reading room. We have 2 24 hours reading room located at ground floor and one more at first floor. All right, next is a general room, and also we have a lounge room, Al-Jazari auditorium. All right, so okay, to those new students, this is the views of our indoor photos lah, indoor photos for library. So discussion room, this one discussion room. So 24 hours reading room here, information searching room, and this one seminar room, postgraduate room. This one postgraduate room. All right, this one these photos is some of the indoor scenery inside the library. Some of inshallah, if you come, you can explore more about our library. All right, next, the most important things for today's, I think this one, searching strategy. Okay, for searching strategy, actually, once you have your topic or your proposal topic, then what we have to plan is you have to break down your topic into its separate concepts. For example, for this one, smart bin for waste management system in Southeast Asia. So to do searching, what you have to do is you have to know your terms or your keywords that you have to use in your searching using any of the databases or platforms, right? Okay. And another things, once you got the keywords that related with your research, and another thing you have to take into consideration is what is the synonyms of the keywords selected, right? So synonyms, the same the same meanings of the keywords. And the another thing is how would you combine the terms, right? This some of the steps that you have to take into your consideration when you are trying to search, right? So this one is another example for search for research. This one actually about whether ibuprofen, I don't know how to pronounce, is better than paracetamol at reducing fever in children. So the font, the red font, actually the keywords. So once you are doing your searching, you have to take out all of the prepositions, is or not, is, in, at. So in other words, you don't have to type all of the topics. If your topics is so long, so you don't have to type all, because it will make the database or platform becomes I don't know how to tell in the simple way is become headache for them to match all of your research for of your searching. All right, so you have to take out the keywords. So here the keyword is ibuprofen with so for ibuprofen actually this one so synonyms for ibuprofen actually we have Brufen, Nurofen. For your information, if I don't know if you are aware about some of the functionalities of some of the databases. Actually, most of them they have functions like synonyms, thesaurus, encyclopedias, and so on. So if you're aware about that, you can use these tools actually in that specific database, right? Okay, next. Okay. So do you aware about Boolean logic or Boolean operators? Hopefully all of you are aware about this. So because Boolean logic or Boolean operators is a specific, it specify the logical relationships among your search terms. In other words, once you know the words you want to search, you need to establish the logical relationship among them using the Boolean logics or Boolean operators. All right. So these Boolean operators actually will assist you to get the more relevant result for your research, right? Okay. So I think I can okay, for this one I'm interested in the relationship between poverty and crime. So let's say if your research is regarding to poverty and crime, so you may use Boolean logics or Boolean operators, either and or not, using both of the keywords. So let's say this one actually for example lah, if you using science right, for example, so using the keyword poverty, this the result may appear about 76 thousands, and crime about 348 plus thousand. And if you combine between poverty and crime in one search using n operators, so your result will be more narrow, more specific. Okay. So it will this area is the document that will appear once you use and using both keywords poverty and crime. So your result is the gray one. Okay. And this for or it contradict to and actually, so it will give you a result more broader. You will get more results if compared with if you use and as your Boolean operators. All right, for example, college, university. So college or university, we will get 800 plus thousands. But if you only use college, it will appear only 369 plus. So the one if you see this diagram, so the one with the color brown, okay, it is your result actually. Okay, so it will contradict with a Boolean operator and. Okay, for not, actually it will appear the document the first with the first keyword. Like for example, cats not dog. So the purple one is your result. Actually, you will get the result on for cats only. You don't want the dogs. All right. Okay, so another things in searching techniques, the thing that you have to take into your consideration is instead of Boolean operators, beside the Boolean operators, we also have truncation, we have wildcard, and we have quotation marks symbol. For quotation mark symbol, actually if you want to use more than one keywords. Okay, instead of using and Boolean operators, but you just need to use quotation marks, knowledge management. So the result will be appear for knowledge management, not knowledge only, not management only. All right. Okay, understand? All right. So for truncation and wildcard, actually it will easier lah, make you easier, more easier, more faster when you searching. You just need use for truncation. You just place a truncation at the end of the any words. For example, econom. So it will appear the document with economics, economy, and so on. And another thing is wildcard. You just use the question marks, are not end of the word, but between the between the object lah, in the middle of the word. All right, organization, organization, or organization, S and S. This one actually we once we go to any of the database, we don't know either this database is actually UK or US based. So sometimes in terms of the spelling, the differences uh, uh, in terms of the spelling, normally either this one is using the UK or US, right? Okay, so also go to color. So some are using COLOR, some using a COLOUR, and also man, woman, a woman and woman. All right. So searching tips, I think this one, when you try to search using any platforms, using any databases, either subscribed by a PTTA or even the free one, because we have actually the free database. But we suggest all of you to use the subscribed one lah, because it's more quality. Have a document that more quality. Okay, all right. Okay, so access to online database. All right. So far, so good. So if no question, I think all of you in very good lah. Hopefully don't sleep tengah hari ni takut tertidur. Okay. Nak tanya, if you want to ask any question, just disturb me. Never mind. Okay. Tanya je. Never mind. Alright. So this is our online access to online database. So how to access the online database? Actually, this one is our old website. So the new website. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I will share screen. So, all right. I will share the latest, sorry. Okay, this one is actually our website, our new website, all right? So PTTA, you can go to our website using this URL address, ptta.uthm.edu.my V3. All right. So this website is actually if you want to get anything, any references, actually this website will assist you. Okay. So for this okay, for those who want to access to our databases, actually you can either go to e-resources, or you can scroll down and you can also click here e-resources button, or you can also using this off-campus access. All right. So we have three place or three step whereby you can access all of the e-resources, online databases, e-books, e-journals that have been subscribed by PTTA, Tunku Tun Aiminah Library. All right. Okay. So once you click here, let's say, so okay, what will appear here? Also, we give you some of the our platform, in-house platform. We have PTTA Digital Collection, we have PTTA Archive Collection, and this one is actually my site or my journal, also newspaper. So this one also will you can use also. This one is actually free of charge. My site and my journal is actually one of the project done by Higher Education Ministry, all right, KPT. So you can have the journal, Malaysian journals, Malaysian university journals, using the both platform, be my journal and my site. All right, we go back to our resources, our subscribe resources. So once you click e-resources of campus access, this page will appear. You just click I understand. Right, hold on. Slow, a little bit slow. Afternoon, a little bit slow. All right. So once you log in, sorry. Do you know how to log in to Easy Proxy? Do you know? Don't know. Do you aware? I have to log out first. All right. So, okay, click I understand. So this page will appear, Easy Proxy login page. So to log in, for students, you have to use username and password, the same username and password that you use to log in to SMAP Online. Right, clear? Okay, for staff, the same username and password used to log into TCIS. All right, so for me, I use Haslini, my password, so login. Okay, so far clear? Maybe while hear my speech, you also can try by your own using your computer, and if you have any problem, you just ask me. I'll try to guide you how to access. All right. So once after login, this page will appear, whereby it will give three options: journals, ebooks, database. All right. So the default page will be e-journals. All right. Or this journals is actually the selected journal, single title journals that have been subscribed, some active but some not. For example, for this one, Harvard Business Review, actually this one active. You can click here. I just show one. When for Harvard Business Review, okay, Harvard Business Review, this magazine, e-magazine or e-journal, actually covers more on leadership, on management, and so on, so forth. Okay, how to get the full text? You just you can. Okay, if you click at batch here, if it's appear UTHM, UTHM, actually you have already logic. If not, you have to go back to Easy Proxy page and you have to log in using PTTA at UTHM.edu.my, password at PTTA 2022 hashtag, right? So for mine, I'm already login. So once login, only after you log in, then you can get the full text. It's not, they will ask you to purchase, right? Or you will not be able to read or download the full text. Right? For example, this one, click here. So you may read online. You may also save, but it will save in this platform, not the personal account. Okay, but if you want to download, you can click to print and save as. Click print destination, save as PDF. All right, and save wherever you want lah. All right, so okay, so far. Cancel. All right, this one for Harvard business reviews. All right, and another e-journal, single title e-journals I would like to share is, okay, let's say if we go, which journal you want to me to show you? Abdiwali, which journal you are interested to? Abdiwali. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am, we are with you.
Okay, which journal you want me to show to show to you? Which journal you interested to?
Actually, ma'am, I have a question because I want to download a paper of a village journal. That's a paid journal. I try to download it, but I can't download the paper because it's a paid journal.
It's
Can paid
what?
journal. Village Online is a paid journal. I want to download a paper from there, but I can't download it.
Actually, which journal actually you did not able to download?
Village, Village Online or Asian Journal of Control. Asian Journal of Control.
Can you please write down at the chat?
Okay.
Doctor, I guess we do not have a subscription with the Willy publisher. So this is the problem.
Sorry, I can't get your message. Can you repeat?
Doctor, I guess UTHM does not have a subscription with the Willy publisher. So this is the problem. As we have a subscription, yes, we have subscription with Science.org, we have subscription with IEEE, and Springer also.
We have subscribed to IEEE. We have subscribed to Science Direct.
But if we go to the Willy publisher, we don't have subscription, I guess.
I think you don't log in to EasyProxy. I think if you go direct to the publisher without logging to EasyProxy, the one that I've just shown you before, and then they will ask you to purchase actually to get the full text. After this, I will show you how to search for IEEE because most of the FKEE students, yes, IEEE is the most important database that you have to refer to. Okay?
Yes, doctor. So as the student was asking regarding the Willy publisher, I guess we face a lot of problem in this regards. And if we go to the Willy, then we cannot access any of their papers.
That's why I asked you to go to log in to EasyProxy just now. Okay, Suhail?
Yes, doctor.
Can you log in using the EasyProxy?
If you go now into the database, doctor, in database there is no Willy. It does not show Willy.
Sorry.
So if we log in our ASMAP credentials here in the library, and if we go to the database, it shows IEEE, Science Direct, and Springer also. There are others also, but Willy is missing.
Actually, I can get your message.
Madam Nur Haslini. Madam. Actually, Suhail trying to say that he actually looked at the database. He saw the IEEE as Pro, but the Wiley, W-I-L-E-Y, Wiley, the one don't have in the database.
Oh, I see. Yes, yes, yes. Wiley, it's not our subscription.
Yes, doctor. That is I wanted to say.
Sorry. I think the IEEE, yes, we subscribe. I think all of the most of the package, not all, because the IEEE it's not included the ebooks. But for journal, conference papers, standards, and all of the data, all of the documents inside the IEEE, excluded the ebooks, yes, we subscribe. But for Wiley, actually, previously, we have subscribed before. But when we come to a subscription matter, so the thing is, we have to renew actually. So what happened to Wiley? We have subscribed, but after we do some analysis regarding to usage, we got that the usage for Wiley not really impressive. So our management decide to drop or unsubscribe to this database. Really sorry. Okay, Suhail?
So maybe
Okay,
Madam,
doctor. Thank you very much.
maybe Madam can suggest if the students still they want to download the journal from the Wiley. Is there any other suggestion that student can go way to access this journal from Wiley?
So for Wiley, actually what we will assist you is we'll try to help you by offering interlibrary loan service, whereby our user will get the documents, articles, books, excluded the thesis from other library, whereby you just fill in the form, interlibrary loan form. I will show after this, and then we will try to get the documents from our academic another academic library lah. For example, UTHM, we have what we call friends lah to help. Even they also ask us to supply the documents, and win-win situation actually. We give what we have, they give what they have. Right? Okay, doctor. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
yeah, I think it's very useful, especially those journal that UTHM did not subscribe, and the student insists on obtain those reference. So it would be a good idea that the student can go to the library, so that the librarian can arrange for the interlibrary service.
Interlibrary loan service, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Inshallah. Can.
Thanks.
Okay, so next I will cover 2 ebooks. So this one actually the ebooks that have been subscribed. So for FKEE, you may use Science Direct, Access Engineering, K-Novel also, and all of these books is actually in engineering. Exclude for Progress eBook Central, EBSCO host ebook collection. It's more on general knowledge. Even some in engineering, yes. Some in technology, yes. Some of them. Okay, so database. So this is our database. So for those who want to access the standards, we have British Standards Online. And for FAE, yes, IEEE Explore is one of the database that mostly support your research. We also have Science Direct. So Science Direct, actually, we subscribe the Freedom Collection, meaning that most of the articles, most of the subjects covered in Freedom Collections, including the technology sites, electrical, and for FKE also we covered in this database. Springerling, you may try to search also. And another thing is okay, Clarivate and Scopus. We have these two database is the reference databases whereby you can check the whereby you can check the impact factor of the journals, any journals before you want to publish, before you decide where should you publish, where what sorry, I don't want call pula. So okay, okay, this one is just on surface, but I'll try to show you after this. Okay, so this one is okay, stop sharing. So I'll share the slide. All right. So this one, okay, online database, yes, I have covered the online resources. All right. Okay, where to find articles? Okay, just now I'll show you the library website, UTHM, and we have also UTHM repository, Google Scholar, Open Access, Microsoft Academic, My Site. All right. So for okay, this one is addition to the one that I have mentioned earlier. So we have 12 online databases whereby you can get the full text and abstract, and 4 single title e-journal. We have 10 single titles that now active. Okay. So if you go to any journals listed here, if you get that, you just only get the abstract. So meaning that the library have stopped the subscription. Okay, what we will try to have you is you can use what I have mentioned earlier about the interlibrary loan service. All right. Okay, the library catalog. Okay, for library catalog, okay, let me show you. Okay, we go to home. Okay, if you aware, we have OSCA, we have PTTA Discovery Service. All right. So OSCA, or Online Smart Catalog for Academic Resources, is a platform whereby you can search the physical materials of the library, including books, journals, the physical one, the touch one, the printed one. Okay, audio visuals. Okay, But for PTTA Discovery Service, it will help you to search this one is actually one-stop search engine to search all of the library materials, including printed books, audiovisuals, online databases, ebooks, e-journals, etc., etc. All right. So by using PTTA Discovery Service, it will help you to search faster, easier. At one time, when you search PTTA Discovery Service, you can get the physical books, you can get the online books. All right. Let's say if we search robotics, for example. Okay, if you see for number 2, you can robotic science and system, for example, and you can get the details about the bibliographic details about a location, call number, status, meaning that this one is these books actually the physical books that you can get at our open shelf, open access shelf. All right. So this one is the physical books. But if you go scroll down, for example, this one, PDF full text, this one is actually the documents or books that you can get full online, and it actually trace from our subscribe database. So for example, I actually want to search okay, for this one, actually you can, for every database, most of the database, the functions or features of the database actually they have the function whereby users can limit the search. Okay, you can do the limitations of search. For example, if using the robotics, the hits is about 2 millions plus 2.8 millions. But if you use this section, refined search or limitations, you can limit your search either by source types, by subject, by publisher. Let's say we go to by publisher, click here. All right, so show more. Okay, so here the hits is actually it will it give from different publisher. Let's say from IEEE, so you just actually you just want the document from IEEE, for example. Okay, click here, update. Okay, so it will appear the bibliographic information of the documents from IEEE. Okay, it will appear get full text at IEEE Explore, IEEE Explore, IEEE Explore, right? So let's say if you want to get the full text, you just click here or here. Okay, because I'm already logged into Easy Proxy, it will directly go to IEEE Explore page. But if you did not yet log into Easy Proxy or off-campus access, you have to log in first. Okay, some of the database it will ask you to log in, some may not. Okay. So this actually it will go to page of IEEE Explore. So I think most of you are quite well known about this database. So this one is a HTML format whereby you can have also we have the figure here. Okay. figure 1, figure 2. Okay. And if you want to have the PDF format, just can click here, and even you can also can cite this. All right. So if you are quite confused, sometimes if you search, then but you can get the full text. You can you are disabled to download, or you just only have the abstract one. So what have you do is you have to refer to this one, access provided by UTHM, University Tunisia on Malaysia. That means you already considered as our user. If you go directly to a publisher page without lodging the easy proxy, it will may avoid you from download to the PDF. All right. Okay, another thing. All right. So this one. And you may also actually limit to full text. Okay. You can limit your search also, let's say by source types. Okay. By source types, let's say you just want to get the thesis, not the what we call not the conference papers or articles. Do we have thesis here? Okay, thesis, no. Okay, let's say if you just want to get the standards, okay, click here, update. Okay, so this one I think is maybe IEEE not yet published or for, because it's us to request to interlibrary loan. But for this one, IEEE standard for autonomous robotics. Yes, you can get the full text of the standards from IEEE. Okay, so inside the IEEE, instead of article journals, where you also can get the conference papers and standards and some of the magazines inside the IEEE as well. All right. Stop. Okay, library catalog, settle. So another one is institutional repository, UTHM. Okay. This one is actually one of the platform whereby we actually place all of the journals, articles, proceeding papers, book chapters written by UTHM staff or published by UTHM publisher. And also we got thesis, postgraduate thesis. All right. So how to access? Okay, hold on. Stop share. Okay. So okay, for institutional repository, you may access from here. You just click institutional repository. Okay, so you may search using the keywords that have been selected that regarding with your research lah. Alright, for example, search repository. So in this institutional repository or IR, we got a PhD thesis, master thesis, right? For example, we use optics search. Okay, so for the first one, Abdullah Aklan, antenna design for solid material characterization. So let's say you are interested to get this master thesis, you just click here. And for your information, we don't allow the users to download directly because we aware about copyright issue. So for students, our students or lecturers, to those who want to get the full text of any thesis, master or PhD thesis via this platform, actually you can you can request a copy here. No need to click download, because if download it will appear login. So this one not means for users. Actually, as users, you want the full text, you just click request a copy. All right. So request a copy. You just but bear in mind you have to use email formal email at siswa.uthm.edu.my, your mention number at siswa.uthm.edu.my. If you use your personal email, the admin will not entertain you, and you will not be able to get the full text of this master thesis. And the reason for your research, any reason you can state here, and we will give the soft copy of the thesis within 3 to 7 days, 7 working days. Depends on the format of the thesis. If it's already available in soft copy, so within 3 days, inshallah, and it's not a scan yet, not available in a soft copy yet, whereby we have to scan from the printed one. It will may take some time for us to scan, and we'll try to reply your request within 7 working days, inshallah. Right, clear? IR UTHM, Institutional Repository UTHM. Right, this one is for IR. Okay. Okay, IR. Okay, another thing is, okay, the next platform, this one is actually the platform whereby you can get the information more not really academic lah. Because ulibrary.gov.my portal actually or you Pustaka portal is actually the platform that have been developed by Perpustakaan Awam Malaysia, National Library of Malaysia, whereby once you register as member, you can get access to the online databases subscribed by the PNM, Perpustakaan Awam Malaysia, Perpustakaan Negara Malaysia. Okay. So the database actually it will consist of e-news, e-magazines, and also some of the journals, but not really academic. Okay, it's a means for all Malaysians, including also our international student, also can register for you Pustaka using your passport lah, passport number. If Malaysian, you can register using your IC number. Alright. So I think I no need to show you this. You can explore, and I will share this slide with TS Dr. Jong Setling, and she will share with you after this, right? Okay, Google Scholar. So of course, I think Google Scholar, yes, Google Scholar, instead of Google search, you may search your documents, your articles using Google Scholar. Even we have Google Books. Okay, so you have to go to the one that I think more impactful, more the documents not I think if Google search it will make you more headache to decide whether this articles is related or not with your search, right? So Google Scholar is one of the best platform you want to search. Another thing, actually we have open access channel, DOASH directory of open access channel. So this one is actually free of charge. You can search doash.org to get the full text of article channel, right? Okay. Okay, this one is the once you search, let me show you how to search using DOASH. Okay. Okay, this one is actually new interface for DOASH, more colorful, more interesting, I think. So if you see here, in DOASH, we have about articles within 80 languages. Okay, we can get in different languages actually, not only in English, from 130 countries. Okay, so we got they got about 12,000 plus journals, and records about 8 million plus. All right, so let's see. We want to search vaccination, for example. Okay, click here. Oh, not yet publish this. Okay, if you see here, some of the article we can get for free, but some not. Okay, so to us, not all of the articles for free. Okay, let's see. So, text title, for example, journal. Biomedical optics. Read online. Only give to read online. Okay, I think some yes, we got the full text, but some it may link to commercial databases whereby you have to get the sorry, you have to purchase on also. Okay, this one for Tuash. Okay. So stop searching. Share screen. Okay. So this one, Microsoft Academic Search. This one also open access platform whereby you can get the articles for free, but free for today is not means will free for next day. Okay, so sometime you can get this any of the article for free, but we have to understand that the free platform it depends on the publisher. If a publisher want to charge, you have to accept lah. All right. Okay, so this one is actually the interface for Microsoft Academic. So it actually the interface just like Google Scholar actually. All right, so this one my site as mentioned earlier, Malaysian Citation Index by Malaysian Citation. It's actually published by Malaysian Citation Center, Ministry of Education. Okay, most of the my site journal, yes, you can get the full text. All right, let me show you the site. Okay, this one is actually the site for my site. So from Capital actually we have my journal and my site. So all of the journals that have been published by academic university actually in Malaysia, the ministry will place the journals inside the my journals, but my site is actually the selected ones. Okay, that meaning that journals that have been published and have been cited from Malaysia, from the actually from the researcher. Okay, so my set, if we compare in terms of the ranking, my set is up to my journal lah. Alright. So for example, we want to search general search. Okay, one more thing that I want to share. Some of the students maybe want to if you are doing your research, you want to get the meaning the research in Malaysia, for example. Okay, to those who want to know to get the references that have been published around regarding to Malaysia, maybe you can go to this platform, either my journal or my site, and most of the documents, not most actually, some of the documents may be published in Malaysia, because I've met some of the students who want to use the documents or the references in Malay language, for example. But if we go to commercial database like Sainseret, ICPE and so on, it in English. But to those who want in Malay language, you can you are suggested to go to this platform, my journal or my site. Okay. For example, electronic. Okay. For example, if we use electronic as our keyword, so we have about 1,800 plus. So how to get the full text? You just simply click here or here. To view abstract, you can click here. Oh my God. Okay, sorry. Maybe we got some technical problem. Share screen. To share, sorry. Hold on, sorry. I've got some technical problem. Okay, we just lost my site. Okay, let me go to my site again. How to go? Just now I I show you that you can click here and here my site. This one is my journal. Okay, just click general search or advanced search. Any field, let's say title, for example, education Malaysia. Alright. So we got education development program to orang asli by the Ministry of Education, MOE. I don't know what happened to this site. Cannot get the. Maybe you can try by yourself if you still have a problem to access this site. You may ask our librarian at reference desk, or maybe you can also email us. All right. I think maybe some technical problem happened at this platform, I think. Okay.
Madam No Haslini, if you go for the my site, then you click to which one?
My site. I just click to search.
General search.
General search. Maybe some technical problem happened, I think. Doctor, can you
Can if I type robotics, the same keywords like yours, robotics, then others I just ignore. I just type robotic at the articles, then I click search, then it's possible. Yeah.
Oh, my my internet problem. I don't know. For example.
Yeah. Is it this one? Is it this one?
Oh, can.
Yeah.
I think just now it may be a problem. Okay. Next. Okay. Stop share. Okay. Doash, Microsoft, my site. Okay. Okay. Local thesis. All right. The next contents is where to find thesis. All right. Just now I show you how to find articles, how to find conference proceedings, standards, and so on and so forth. So for thesis, we have two kinds of thesis, either local ones or international ones. All right. So for local one, you may search the local thesis. That means UTHM thesis from Library OPEC, e-repository, or Mito. So Library OPEC, I have shown you before, using OSCAR or using EBSCO Discovery Service just now. And we have also e-repository or IR repository. So another one, we have Mito. And for international thesis, actually, you can search the thesis written by international students using the ProQuest Dissertation and Thesis Global, PQDT Global. This one actually one of our database subscribed by PTTA. And you may also refer to UK's thesis using ethos, or you may search through Truth, Australian Digital Thesis. Okay, for e-repository, I have shown you before. Okay, Mito. All right, so for Mito, I'll show you. So for Mito, Mito is actually a platform of Malaysian thesis online, whereby this one is actually a collaboration between academic libraries, Malaysian academic libraries, whereby we we collect all of the thesis written by our students, and we input in this platform. And actually this thesis you just only can get 24 pages of the thesis, including references, and you only can get abstract, not the full text. If I'm not mistaken, some a little bit only you can get the full text, but most of them you cannot get the full text. And you may also know the location of the thesis, whereby it written by UTHM, UTM, UNIMED, and so on and so forth. All right, let me show you how to search the thesis using the Mito after this. All right, okay. So progress dissertation and thesis, this one, the interface of the progress dissertation and thesis. This one, ethos, Australian, open access thesis and dissertation. All right, so, okay. Okay, to access the thesis, we go to our page, our library website page, portal. So you may go to e-thesis here. You click here, e-thesis. Okay, Progress Dissertation and Thesis Globals is the one that have been subscribed by PTTA. So click here. So access provided by University of Malaysia, meaning that you already log into Easy Proxy. If not appear here, you have to go to e-resources and login the Easy Proxy. All right, let's say if you search robotics. Okay, search. Okay, this one maybe the new one, not published yet. So you don't have the access to the full text. But the second one, augmenting visual memories, from University of Washington. You can get the full text. Even you can preview first. To get the full text, actually the whole full text, not just 24 pages, okay? So the full text, all of the thesis, you can get from this database. Okay. So maybe it will take some time lah to download this. This one is about 149 pages, right? So clear about progress dissertation and thesis. Okay. So actually this database covers, I think, for now we have about 2.1 million titles of the thesis. So if you want to make this thesis as your references, you may do it because it's very comprehensive in terms of the contents. You can go and search using your according to your research. Okay, all right. This one is progress dissertation and thesis. Okay. So IR, just now I've shown you, okay, to get the full text, you have request a copy. All right, and then this one is Malaysian Thesis Online, so Mito. Okay. Mito, until now we have 24 institutions, either the from private university. We also instead of perpustakaan university awam, we also have collaboration from private university also. And we got about 145,000 records lah so far. So let's say if you want to see from UTHM, so search by author, university, Pacific, Tan Hussein. Tak ada. Sekejap. Sekejap Kenapa no result? Sekejap. Ini tu.
Doctor, I guess we have to change author to university or institution.
Sorry, institution
In front of the university name.
Publisher. I think publisher. Sorry, not author. Also cannot. Institution. We don't have the institution. I think.
Or maybe we can choose all fields, then see.
All field. All field, then you can get about for I think this one not really from University of Malaysia, because if we see the result 2404 actually because we use all field just now, so it will link to the result using University of Malaysia. But the one that have been published, actually you can get the narrow search here, published by University of Malaysia. You can click here lah. Okay. So this one. Right, this one is the interface for Mito, right? So most of the full text, I don't know, this one can or not, cannot. Oh, can. But only 24 pages, not all of the thesis, right? Yes, not the full text actually. All right, this one is Mito. All right. Okay. Okay, ethos. Okay, this one is ethos. Okay, platform published by British Library. Okay, so this platform actually offer you with doctoral thesis. All right. For example, we use circuit. keyword. Okay. If you got okay, for this one is actually scan from print, then you a scan fee will apply. Okay, meaning that if you find out here this icon, meaning that you they don't not yet have the full text, but this one I think immediate download from this IS. Yes, just okay, you can get the immediate download email address. So just try to register first, and they will email you the full text of the thesis. All right. So this one is ethos. Australian. I think you can try lah after this by yourself. We already mention the URL address. Okay. So another thing is impact factor journal. So how do I find the impact factor and rank for a journal? Okay. Just now I mentioned about Web of Science or Journal Citation Reports Scopus. So we have reference tools lah, bibliographic database. This one you may refer to know which journal is I think more impactful for your publish. Okay? For example, for your information, actually as students, you also can claim the incentive. If you publish, you have the you have what I mean, you can get the incentive from UTHM. If you publish from Web of Science, yes, Scopus also, yes, you can get the incentive. So okay. Okay, the incentive, the details about the incentive, actually you can get from here, research support. Okay, click here, research support, student publication incentive. Okay, as students, okay, if you click here, okay, actually if you publish within JCR Awards Quarter 1 journal, you may get 400 RM 400, Quarter 2 300, Quarter 3 and 4 200, and for if you publish in Scopus, you may also get about 200. Right, so you can fill in the forms and submit to our academic research unit. Okay, you may contact Puan Roda lah, Puan Siti Roda, and submit the your application to her, and she will process the request. All right. So how to get access to Scopus and JCR? So as usual, you have to click to Easy Proxy first. Okay, so click easy proxy, login to easy proxy. Okay, click to Scopus. Okay. Okay, to know the impact factor of any journal, let's say this one. So you have to go to the source, all right? So the source, Journal of Operation and Automation. Click here. And you will get the here, right side. You can get the site score, SGR, SNP also, all right? So the impact factor will appear here. And if you want to know more about this journal, you may also can access to site score, okay? And also you can go to site score rank and trend. So you may see the uh, uh, the what we call in terms of the ranking, how this journal, the history of this journal in terms of the score, site score trend. So this for this journal, it has been cited in Scopus since 2019, and for it's quite okay lah for this journal. And also you can go to Scopus content coverage. Okay, for this year, we have about 24 documents within this journal. Okay, so we have okay, let's say we want to get the full text. Just click here. We stop first. Azan, tengah azan. Sekejap, Dan has been. Alhamdulillah. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Just for your information, if you go to Scopus, actually Scopus, what consists in Scopus, it will consist all the journals that have been cited by Scopus lah. But the thing is, if you want to get the full text of the articles within the Scopus, okay, bear in mind that not all of the articles cited in the Scopus available the full text. For example, this one is not available for the full text because the one that have been in the Scopus actually, for example, if the publisher is from Science Direct, okay, for Science Direct, IEEE, the one that have been subscribed by PTTA or Perpustakaan Tunku Minah Library, so inshallah we will get the full text. But the ones not included or not subscribed by PTTA, you will not be able to get the full text. So to get the full text, you may use the interlibrary loan service, right? Okay, this one is for Scopus, right? Next, we go to another one is Journal Citation Reports. Okay, Web of Science. Okay. Okay, Web of Science. Okay, can you give one journal title to me to search using JCR or WAS? Nadia?
Doctor, can try sensors.
Census. How to spell?
ACN is what?
S?
EN, sensor.
Sensor. Okay, sensors. Are they S with S or not?
Can try, I guess.
Okay, so using the sensors, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for example, sensors and materials. Okay, sensors and materials. Here, this journal is actually open access since 1996. Okay, so journal performance in terms of the impact factor. Okay, you can get here the journal impact factor 0879 and JCI total citations. Okay, you may take in term in your consideration all of the details within this this database lah. So you may decide, but in terms of quartile, okay, quarter 4, okay. So you can get the quarter, you can get the information of quartile of this journal. All right. Okay, since it's you in web science, okay. Okay, so this one for sensors and materials, all right. And this one sensors and actuators physical, all right. ISSN, got the journal's performance, journal impact factor 4291, quartile, scroll down. Quarter 2 better, okay, better than the previous one. So whatever is it, it depends on you. If you want to publish to a journal that I think of course everyone want to publish to the most impactful of journal, right? And so that you can get the best incentive, right? So more impactful, more incentive, and inshallah more quality articles you will publish and share to others. Right. So JCR dah. Okay, another thing, you may also can get the information instead of Scopus and JCR. You also can get journal rank using Saimago, all right? www.saimago.jr.com, all right? And also, that's all for Web of Science, JCR, Scopus, Saimago. Okay. All right. Okay. Next is the reference format, styles of reference that you will use during preparing your thesis, your proposals, and so on. What we have actually using is APA for UTHM. Actually, we use APA. Okay, this is the example of the APA style, starting with author and year of publication, title of the journal, publisher, volume, and so on so forth. All right. So yes, UTHM using APA format, and you may refer to a Center of Postgraduate and refer to APA Style 6th edition to get the thesis writing back. You can access to Center of Postgraduate website to get the guideline how to write the thesis. All right. Okay. Another thing is bibliographic management, whereby once you already got your references, or maybe hundreds, maybe thousands. So the thing is how you manage your references, right? So bibliographic management or bibliographic tools is one of the software that will help you, because previously I'm doing my master, I think about last 2003 2002. So I doing manually. I write my references manually, refer to the books, the textbooks of APA or MLA and so on and so forth. But now you can use the bibliographic management tools, either EndNote, Mendeley, Zotero, to manage your references. It will help you very helpful. Okay, you no need to do manually. So EndNote, okay, for now actually we for EndNote we library provide 2 PC with EndNote software. We actually UTHM or PTM have subscribed the software, but we install in 2 PC that available at the postgraduate Shirazi postgraduate student room, postgraduate rooms or Shirazi. Okay, you can use EndNote at the at this room, but using only 2 PC. We not yet subscribe the website, the web-based one, right? So this one is software that installed at that specific PC only. Okay. But most of the researchers, even students, prefer more to use the Mendeley. Okay, so Mendeley, we have desktop and online version. Even Mendeley offer free, no need to subscribe. You only have to if you want prefer to access the desktop one, you have to install lah. But if the online version, I think more flexible, more easier for you to use. So most of researcher, I think, use the online version of the Mendeley. All right, so this one is the interface for desktop Mendeley. Okay, another one is Zotero. Zotero, actually, what so special about Zotero? You also can add the images, audiovisual, video files, snapshots, and web pages. It's the differences between EndNotes and the Mendeley, right? Okay, so next, so far okay about the reference tools, reference bibliographic reference management tools. All right, so this one is actually turn in. Okay, once you preparing your proposals or thesis, actually you have to doing your similarity checking using the Turnitin. Okay, so Turnitin actually subscribed by UTHM, and you may contact your lecturer, your supervisor, to get the class ID and class enrollment key to register. Okay, for registration, you have to use your student email for registration. Okay, so the one with your matric number at siswa.uthm.my, not the personal one. Okay. And the important things about Turnitin is you have to keep your paper ID and submission ID as your reference. In case if you have problem, we may refer to this details lah, paper ID or submission ID. Okay. Sometimes some of the student need to delete the document because the document the similarity maybe reach to 100% or the 99%. So for UTHM, if I'm not mistaken, maybe no, not more than 20% ke doktor? Betul ke doktor? 20% or 30%?
20%,
20%.
20%.
20%, right? Okay. So sometime for the first submission, maybe you submit, and then second submission, the similarity reports shows 100%. So what you have to do is you provide us with submission ID so that we will delete document from the Turnitin. You actually you can delete by yourself, but if you delete without through the PTTA admin, so it will delete for you only. But the fact is your document still in the database. Okay. All right. Anything any question about Turnitin?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Turnitin, to those the new student, you may access the Turnitin. Here you can click to the research support. Okay, and then select Turnitin. Okay, and you can click here. All right. So for students, create account, click student. So for a student from Dr. Jong Set Ling, you may request a class ID and class enrollment key from Dr. lah. And for a student, another class, from another class, you may ask from your supervisor, either from Dr. Rashada or Dr. Maisara. Okay, so this one is for Turnitin. But sometimes maybe your supervisor quite busy with and not have time to give the classroom or enrollment key. The library still help you with the classroom and enrollment key. You may click here, Turnitin. But this one is actually temporary lah, PTTA Turnitin class. Click here. All right. So you can click here and login, easy proxy. And for now, the class ID and enrollment key is this one. Okay, you can use this. But this class ID and enrollment key will be deleted every Thursday. Okay, meaning that you can use until for this week until this Wednesday, but Thursday another class ID. You understand what I mean? This one, the temporary class ID and enrollment key. But we suggest, we hope that you can get the class ID and enrollment key from your supervisor. It's better. All right. Okay. Okay, turn it in. I think turn it in, yes. Interlibrary loan, yes, I've already covered. So interlibrary loan, actually, you just can get these materials only: journal articles, books, conference papers, patterns, and standards. Okay, the thesis not included. Even from other university also, thesis only for references inside the library only. All right, so how to use the interlibrary service? You may you may email to pspp@uthm.edu.my, and you will process the request within 14 to 30 days, depending on the institution that supply to that document lah. So how to get the, all right, this one is the form of the interlibrary loan form. How to get this form? Actually, you can get from the counter, and the one that not physically come to campus yet, you may download from our website. Okay, let me show you how to get this form. Check, yeah. Okay, go to home, scroll down, and go to downloads, user form, right? So user form, I think this one, bahagian tadi. This one actually linked to Google Drive. So okay, okay, interlibrary loan here. Orang, sorry, in Malay. Hopefully the international student can understand. So you may use this form, orang permohonan pinjaman antara perpustakaan. Alright. So you may fill in this and submit to pspp@uthm.edu.my. Alright. Alright. Okay. And beside to interlibrary loan service, we also have intercampus delivery service, whereby this one is actually to get the materials, the library materials from Pago campus. Meaning that if you are from main campus, you want to get the document or the books from the Pago campus, shared facilities libraries, you may use ICDS service, and you may contact these persons, Encik Muhammad Fakrullah. All right. Okay, this one ICDS. All right. Okay. Another thing is Ask Dr. No Clinic. Okay. If you're doing your qualitative research methodology, actually FPTV, Speed Center of Research, And PTTA actually collaborates to have this clinic, as Dr. No clinic, to actually to help you lah, to those who doing the qualitative research, whereby Dr. Nur Sofurah binti Muhammad Faiz, she is a certified qualitative trainer from QRAM, so you can make your appointment here. Can click here, sorry, can scan and it will direct to actually Dr. Nur WhatsApp, and book your appointment, book your seat with Dr. Nur, and inshallah this class actually meant for those who want to see Dr. Nur physically lah. So you can book. The class will the clinic will be held open, that will be open on Sundays, every Sundays at Explorasi Room 6, okay, at level 3. All right. Okay, this one, okay, talk to. Okay, if you go to this one is actually one of our service, whereby we give the opportunity to users to chat directly with our librarian. So actually this chat, talk to chat, actually we have located at our website. So to those who want to don't have time to come to PTTA or go to reference desk at PTTA, you may chat with our librarian. So our librarian will guide you how to search, or how to whatever anything about the library, we will guide you, inshallah. So if you notice here, okay, okay, this one, okay, this is our website. So you just click here, send message. Okay, if the library not available, you can just email, and they will reply you during office hour. Okay. Can you see the sorry? Stop. Okay. Can you see the chat? Cannot. You just simply can click here. Send message. Okay. If I see to the screen, only click here, but it's not appear. Never mind. You just click here, send message, and then you just key in your name, your faculty, and give the question here. Okay. All right. Stop. All right. So next. Okay. I think that's all for my session. Do you have any question? Hopefully you understand what I have shared. And if you don't have any question, please help us to join this survey. Right. Okay, can you scan this? Customer satisfaction survey. And also you have to scan for attendance and information literacy program evaluation form. I will share you at the chat box of the link. Oh, ada soalan dekat chat box sekejap I share ni attendance This one is attendance. Sekejap.
Yeah, in
This
the
one
chat box, there's a 1 or 2 question only.
ada.
Yeah.
Sekejap kita tengok. Okay. Salam puan, saya pernah mengalami failure download paper dalam AAA lepas saya download a lot of paper di AAA pada satu masa. Adakah pihak PTTA meletakkan limit sehari boleh download? Okay, this one from Zaid, Abang Zaid. Okay, this one actually excessive downloading lah memang AAA actually this year I'm not sure. Previously I'm the one of the librarian who handling online database subscription. So yes, IEEE can trace if you doing excessive downloading from the same PC, from the same location. Yes, it will automatically stop the access of the IEEE, but after that we will let the publisher to activate reactivate lah the access of the database. Okay, so meaning that next time jangan terlalu banyak ni lah download untuk satu masa tu. Kalau if reach to 20, 30, so dia macam boleh trace and then dia akan stop. So dia akan track you punya ni lah research lah. Okay. Okay Zaid, apa lagi? Soalan puan, bolehkah saya dapatkan slide? InsyaAllah nanti saya akan share dengan doktor. So doktor nanti boleh sharekan dengan student. Okay, semua dah ni attendance and kajian kepuasan pelanggan. Kalau semua dah ada, thank you again. Very sorry if my my sharing is not very good.
Actually, it's very useful. So thank you very much to Madam Noor Haslini to provide us a very useful briefing on how to search the data online and also how to use the search engine. So Madam also introduced a lot of the search engine. So I hope that all the students, master by research, PhD, and also master by talk course can benefit from there after this hearing this session. So actually it is very useful indeed. So if you have any further question, you can ask in the chat box or directly to Madam Noor Haslini. Okay.
Yeah.
So for the attendance, okay, the one shared by Madam is I think it's a record of the library, but you don't forget to fill up the attendance form also for the class. Okay, for the research methodology class. All right, so don't forget to fill up 2 forms. Okay, students, all the students don't forget to fill up 2 forms. One is given by madams, and another one is given by me. All right. So any question want to ask? Okay, if no question, then I would like to invite all of you to on your camera so that we can have a photo session.
Sekejap saya stop ni eh.
Okay.
Yes, sekejap. Alright.
Okay, please turn on your camera.
Tak nak on.
Okay,
Tak
so
boleh on.
get ready. 1, 2, 3, smile. All right, so thank you, Madam Noor Haslini, and also all the students. Thank you for your attendance. Okay, bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.